Water play allows children to stimulate their senses. They are able to use their sense of touch to feel the water and also the temperature difference in the water. Water as a teacher for me is a medium of play for the children. It allows them to explore with different materials and it also lets them learn in an exciting way.
They like to get messy in it and they also like to be inside the tub over here. They love the thrill to just slide into the tub and the adrenaline of it just makes them very happy.
Children like playing with water when we add different colors, different kind of mediums. So for example, adding colors like colored powders inside the water and lets them observe and look at how the color changes.
When they are playing water play, they can learn a lot of things. They can even learn communication.
There's a lot of benefits for letting children play with water. They learn a lot from water play.